Now, I told you I'm going to give you questions about this topic we've had, the topic of animals. But before that, first of all, let's look at some of the importance of invertebrates. Some of the importance of invertebrates. The first one, silkworms produce silk. Silkworms produce silk. We have the silkworm which produces silk that is used in making of clothes. We have clothes which are made of silk. So this silk comes from the silkworm. The second one, bees produce honey, which most of you love. Love honey which is produced by the bees. That is an importance of invertebrates. And then some flying insects are used as food. Some flying insects are used as food. And this is an example of these flying insects. We have the locusts, and we also have the termites, which are very good sources of protein. If you haven't tested them, you need to make an effort and test one of them. Test them one of these fine days. Next, bees and butterflies help in pollination. Bees and butterflies help in pollination. Then lastly, ants and termites aerate the soil. To aerate means to make the soil have air. To aerate the soil. So ants and termites aerate the soil. Then let's look at some harmful effects of invertebrates. Some harmful effects of invertebrates. The first one, spiders and centipedes can bite. Spiders and centipedes can bite, and so they are poisonous. Then next, weevils destroy crops. Weevils normally destroy crops, so they are harmful to crops. Then mosquitoes, lice, fleas, and bedbugs are harmful to human beings. They normally bite human beings. Some of them burrow into your skin. Those are like the fleas. They burrow into your skin. The lice normally suck your blood. Okay? Yeah, so they are harmful to human beings. And then we have ticks. Lastly, ticks and some types of mites affect both human and livestock. They affect both human and livestock. Now, the questions. Number one, what are invertebrates? What are invertebrates? Number two, animals with backbones are called dash. Animals with backbones are called dash. Number three, name 4 classifications of invertebrates. Name 4 classifications of invertebrates. Number 4, write down 5 characteristics of insects. Write down 5 characteristics of insects. Number 6, name 5 characteristics of snails and slugs. Name 5 characteristics of snails and slugs. Number 7, Number 6, name 4 characteristics of millipedes and centipedes. Name 4 characteristics of millipedes and centipedes. Number 7, name 5 characteristics of spiders and ticks. Name 5 characteristics of spiders and ticks. Number 8, write down 5 importance of invertebrates. Write down 5 importance of invertebrates. And lastly, name 3 harmful effects of invertebrates. Name 3 harmful effects of invertebrates. Try to tackle all the questions right. Every question you find and you do not know the answer, please go back to the video. The answer is there. Goodbye and stay safe.